students have a lot of peer pressure, specifically when they are targeting for a competitive examination. Now, what happens is most of the students go for a coaching institutes, and the students who for some reason are not able to go to a coaching institute or who willingly don't want to go to coaching institutes, they usually have a question mark in mind whether I would be able to achieve my targets, whether I would be able to score good in the examination. Now, to crack CUET PG examination, students always wonder, do they really need coaching? And with so many subjects there in CUET PG examination, students also find it difficult to get a coaching in their native place. So to rule out both of these things, it's important that first of all you make up your mind that since throughout your bachelor's you were able to study by yourself and secure good grades, why not you can do it for CUET PG as well. Now for CUET PG, we would definitely say that even without coaching, with good self-study modules, you can conquer the examination well. Some of the important things that you have to remember is go through the PYQs, and for any of the subjects that you want to go through, you need to understand the content very carefully. So whether it is notes, whether it is the lectures or the questions, practice them well. The standard books that you have been going through must be covered in detail and in depth, and if you have done all that, there is no reason you cannot qualify the CUET PG examination without coaching. Wish you all the best.